Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is FATUN. I will talk about the introduction for our group project. Industrial engineering focuses on ways to make process or design for things that are more efficient and waste less money, time, raw materials, manpower and energy while adhering to various rules and safety requirements. We have chosen a company that operates a coffee shop known as Yummy Cakes and Coffee, which is located in Chandlung, Kedah. The coffee shop was chosen due to the fact that it is a brand new coffee shop that began operations in the year 2021. Because it is a brand new coffee shop, there are a few things that need to be improved in order to make it into a decent coffee shop that people would love to visit. The coffee shop is located in an ideal location and it has the potential to become a customer favorite.
Good day to Doctor. I'm Razali, method number 278285, and I would like to continue my part, which is location analysis. In every location also have their pros and cons, include Yummy Cakes and Coffee. The first pros of Yummy Cakes and Coffee is next to laundry area. Generally, it will take 40 minutes to an hour to go to the laundromat to wash. And usually those customers will not bring water. They will choose to go to nearby restaurant or cafe for tea. So Yummy's Cake and Coffee is their best choice due to next to laundry area. The second advantage is not many competitors in the area. Since there are not many competitors in this area, the local residents will come here for coffee in order not to go far away. Third is young people in the area. Nowadays, young people are more likely to enjoy. So maybe the students from university will come here to enjoy, and UUM are near to Yummy Cakes and Coffee. Furthermore, this place is also very suitable for a university student to come, because the place is quite quiet, so they can enjoy food while discussing their homework or assignment. For cons, the first is the area is not booming. Since the Yummy Cakes and Coffee is located in a more remote and residential area, so the people will not come into this area to find cafe they have not tried. So the Yummy Cake and Coffee is difficult to have new customers. The another cons is low internet connection. The internet speed is very slow whether it is Wi-Fi or mobile data in location of Yummy Cakes and Coffee. So maybe this will lead to guests do not come to eat later. Lastly, is business growing problem. Since Yummy Cakes and Coffee is in a remote area and causes no new customers, this leads to Yummy Cakes and Coffee having to use a no-cost strategy to retain its original customers. And recently, the government have increased tax on sugar component, so it will increase cost of Yummy Cake and Coffee and also make it difficult for Yummy Cakes and Coffee to grow. That's all from me, thank you. And I would like to pass to next presenter.
Hello, my name is MOHD Razali. So, as for my part, I'll be explaining about the layout planning for Yummy's Cake and Coffee. Alright, what is facilities layout? Facilities layout is the arrangement of machines, department, workstations, storage areas, aisles, and common areas within the existing or proposed facility. Alright, so what I am about to show to you guys is the 2D diagram of Yummy's Cake and Coffee in Chandlung. Yummy's Cake and Coffee is using a process layout which groups similar activities together in departments or work centers according to the process or function they perform. As an example, if the worker needs to make an iced Americano ordered by their customer, he or she needs to go from grinding the coffee bean, insert it into the coffee machine, pour hot water, put ice, and serve it to the customer. So what I'm about to show you is the 3D diagram of the layout of Yummy's Cake and Coffee in Chandlung. Lastly, there are few limitations in using this layout. The first one is the airflow. The airflow in the shop is very bad. Heat is coming from the kitchen and the sun rays outside the shop, and there is no shades on the window, therefore the rays is coming directly into the shop. And the heat is felt throughout the shop, as the air conditioner is not switched on at all. Next is the space utilization. The shop has too many unnecessary spaces that is not used accordingly. As an example, the bread shelves are always empty and the ice cream machine is not being used, and less table is being placed in the shop due to lack of space. I think that is all from my part, and I will pass this presentation to my groupmate who will explain further on their work design. Thank you.
A very good day, everyone. My name is SHANTHINI and my ID number is 270833. I'm going to talk about the work design of yummy cakes and coffee. First of all, work design is a highlight of an organization. Organizations depends on employees' contribution to achieve its objective. Work designs involve job design, work measurement, and the establishment of the time standard and worker compensation. From our team's observation in our site visit at Yummy's Cake and Coffee, we found that the behavior approach of job design is job enlargement. Why job enlargement? Because we saw that there is only one employee only do several jobs, which is there is a one female employee. She was take order, and then she was send our order to the kitchen, and then she the one who prepared our drinks, and she's the one who be the cashier. So that she was do the all the work, all the job scope in a coffee shop. So that is a job enlargement in that coffee shop. Okay, job enlargement is a task that gives a worker a larger portion of the total task by the horizontal loading, which means an employee do multiple tasks in a shop. Apart from his work, he and she does other works, like that. In Yummy Cakes and Coffee, as limited employees, when we had the site visit, there was only one employee only. So he was push herself to do a lot of work. And from our observation, we can see that employee had a difficulties in do their job, because there is no one to help her, there's no one to back up her, so she have to do everything by its own. So for her it was a stressful task. The process flow of working also takes time, because there is only one worker there, so it takes time to deliver goods, to deliver food to the customers. So in my opinion, job enlargement is not the effective way to have more productivity in Yummy Cakes and Coffee. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is QURRATU'AINI MUSA with matrix number 275342. Continue presentation on ergonomics. During our visitation to this cafe, we found that this cafe is still quite new in that area. In the perspective of ergonomics, the issue that we found in this cafe is that there is unnecessary movement, because the worker of this cafe would come to the customer's table and take the customer's order. It is best if the customers go to the counter and make the orders, because consider the size or space of this cafe, it is not too big, and Also the number of the worker, which is who work at the front, where worker would take the orders from the customers, preparing drinks for the customers, and also serve customers. All these activities are done by only one worker. Another issue that we found in this cafe is this cafe use curtain to separate the kitchen and also the customer space to enjoy meals and drinks. It is not really suitable to use curtain to separate because it is very flammable and would jeopardize everyone's safety. And this curtain also could be a hindrance for the worker when they want to go into or out of the kitchen bringing the food. So it is best if the owner of this cafe to make some changes for this curtain by using divide the walls or invest some money to add another wall and door. So if this suggestion is adapted into this cafe, it might reduce the workers' effort and also increase the level of everyone's safety in these premises. That's all for me. Thank you.
In conclusion, there are pros and cons for the location of the coffee shop. The pros are the coffee shop is near to the laundry. Not many competitors and many young people live near the coffee shop. The cons are the coffee shop is placed at a residential neighborhood, has low internet connection, and has problem with their business rules. Job enlargement that needed in this coffee shop is widen the scope of workers and allow them to take on more responsibility and duties. For the economics, there is unnecessary movement in the flow of their work, and they use curtains to separate the space for the kitchens and customer space to eat. In order to solve this problem, the workers need to take order from the counter. The owner of the cafe need to change the curtain with another medium such as add another wall and only push the indoor in and out, or just use a divider wall to separate the kitchens and customer space to eat. That's all from us. Thank you.